Remember this? Me neither. It's a little bit before even my time. But I bet you know what this is. I'm going to show you how you can improve your focus and productivity with your legal writing assignments just using the timer app on your smartphone. It's called the Pomodoro Technique, named for that tomato timer of old. The Pomodoro Technique helps you break your work down into manageable tasks, screen out distractions, and focus on the work just in front of you. The Pomodoro Technique was created by Francesco Cirillo, a productivity expert, and you can use it in any field. For the purposes of legal writing assignments, I'm going to break it down into 3 simple steps. First, choose your task. Second, set a timer and work on your task. Third, take a timed break. If you're working on a memo right now, you're probably tempted to say, "Memo, that's my task." But can you narrow that task a bit more? Maybe you need to outline your memo. Maybe you need to work on the rules section. Maybe you need to get to those pesky citations. Narrowing the focus of your Pomodoro work session will improve your productivity. There are a range of interval timers you can download to your smartphone from any app store. You can also download Pomodoro dedicated software to your laptop, which includes built-in timers and screens out internet distractions. Now, once you get to your work session, just focus on the task you've chosen. So that means no reading emails, no checking your text messages, and no looking at those cute animal videos. Just focus on the task you've chosen. Now, even if a memo-related task pops up while you're working, just make a note of it on your to-do list and get back to the task at hand. Shifting between tasks in a Pomodoro session is called cutting the tomato. And while that's great when you're making pasta sauce, try to stay on track. Once your 25-minute work timer rings, take a 5-minute timed break. Now, you certainly could check your email or text messages or enjoy some cute animal videos during your break. I prefer to get away from screen time altogether. Stretch my legs, look out the window, get a glass of water. Once your 5-minute rest timer rings, it's back for another 25-minute Pomodoro work session. Now, the recommendation is that you do 4 sessions and then take a longer break, or maybe move on to something else entirely. It's not unusual to need several Pomodoro sessions when you're working on a legal writing assignment. And you might want to dedicate a few Pomodoro sessions to specific parts of your memo. So maybe you use 3 Pomodoro sessions for your issue statement, and so on. You can use the Pomodoro technique for other law school assignments as well. For example, reading your casebook. And if you find you're able to maintain your focus for longer, maybe try a 30-minute session with a 7-minute break. Play around with it, see what works for you. So I hope you'll join me and do the Pomodoro. And remember, don't cut the tomato.